Morning guys, fast forward, and this is the next morning, and we are in Besham city. It was pretty impossible to find a hotel, so we managed to get a pretty decent one, just enough for you to just charge your devices, sleep and freshen up. We headed for breakfast. It's about 8:15 a.m. headed for breakfast, and today is going to be one of the longest road journeys. We are going to travel to Gilgit. So Gilgit is about 300 odd kilometers away. It may not seem that far, but the roads are really ridiculous. It's going to be an exciting new day, yet another tiring day. Well, before that, breakfast first. Alright, we're gonna load up. It's gonna be a long ride ahead of us. We are considering headed direct to Hunza instead of Gilgit. That will be about 475 kilometers. Right, let's see. Yeah, so this is one of the sites just before a place called Dasu. Check out this river. See the colors, see the way the color changes. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Right from the mountain peak you can see it's a white line coming down, which is actually a melting glacier down.
Yes. Oh look, we've got a visitor. It's a nice cow, a hungry cow. Oh, there's more. Please come in. Basically, we are now in a police station. Get in, freshen up, use the washroom and have our prayers. It's pretty interesting, right? So the prayer room here, it's very nice, very clean and cozy. The washroom not so much though, but okay. And the cow's coming in. It's really interesting. There you can see a cow. There's just one cow right there. And the scene outside is amazing though. Alright, now we happen to just stop here. I don't know where is this place. It's about 3 p.m. We're gonna have our late lunch here. It's just one of those rare spots that you travel hundreds of kilometers and suddenly there's like a tiny little town. How's the water, son? Freezing water?
Freezing. The water is freezing.
Freezing, huh?
It's like from the mountains, I guess.
It's really fresh water, right from the ice caps, I think. Assalamualaikum.
Try this apricot.
Oh my god, this apricot is so good.
Good. I'm not sure whether you can hear me, but it's the ice caps melting. It's basically like a really strong powered waterfall. It looks like really beautiful. Right, so check this out. See this? I can see a little bit of rainbow here. This is another spot where they're basically pumping the water out from the snow caps which are melting, and they got all the drinks inside. to keep the drinks cool, and people are basically drinking from the water. The water is so fresh, we managed to fill up all the Alps water here from the snow peaks. More water. And where is my can? I even dropped a can of Sprite in there. There's my can of Sprite in there as well. We're all going crazy about this pure water. And once we're done filling up, we're gonna continue on our journey. Finally, I can't believe it. I survived a 16-hour journey on the road. It's ridiculous. We're all very tired, and we managed to find a spot. We actually wanted to go straight to Hunza, but we're all tired. So we're gonna have a good rest before we continue our journey to Hunza. Hunza is very close, but it's already like 12:15 after midnight, and the weather, it's much cooler. As you can see, I've wrapped a towel around my neck. Yeah, I kind of dressed for Gilgit, but Hunza is much cooler, so tomorrow's going to be an exciting day.